Good morning. Today is the day we head to the desert. I do not know what to expect. I've never been to a desert before. So, see how it goes. Let's go. Bit of coffee. I'm up earlier than usual. I think we found our camels. I think we found them. Yeah. Hello, mate. Morning.
There's a king. There's a king.
You had some great parents, I bet.
Nice to meet you.
Desert King. Nice to meet you. I'm Jason.
Oh, Hussein, nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. My turn to get on. How do I get on this thing?
Are Budra friend, you are man Budra jumping kar that. Leg up.
Yeah.
Slowly.
Whoa. What? Oh my gosh. Okay. What's the name of the camel?
His name Johnny Boy.
Johnny Boy. Thank
Johnny
you.
Boy.
Thank you, Johnny Boy.
Japato.
I'm riding Johnny Boy.
Japato.
Oh my gosh.
Big Japato.
You okay back there?
Yeah. Then you have many things to do and but it's very nice. I enjoy it. I spend like perfect time. Like
Just taking a quick pit stop. Get some lunch ready. Just had a coffee. Let the camels rest. And then make our way to the desert. It's a bit greener than I expected around here. There's elements of greenery, you know. Apparently they've had a lot of rain, unusual amount of rain, so it's kind of given a bit of life to the landscape. I'm filming, by the way. I'm making video.
besides, like
Is he okay?
Yeah, it's okay. You touch him, no problem.
oh.
Hello. Suprapat. So just arrived, you know, walking by foot, walk up there, find a good sunset spot, and then meet these lot a bit later on. How's it climbing? Oh, that's a good workout for the calves.
Is it safe to go without shoes? No scorpions?
Oh, wow. Well, I've got half of the bloody desert in my Crocs. First time I've ever been to a desert before. The first time. Hey, how's it going, guys? Hello, he's brought snacks.
Most welcome, most welcome.
Thank you.
Full service in the middle of desert.
So nice.
So what do you all think of the sunset? Good? Sunset good?
The best.
He's happy.
He smoked a Jake.
Woohoo. All I need is we always had
Okay, I think I've woken up a little bit more now. Let's go and see what the other campers are up to. Head's a little bit sore this morning. We thought it'd be a good idea to have a couple of beers last night, so, you know, beer, you know, in the desert, you know, hashtag YOLO and all that, but a little bit sore this morning, but whatever. There they are. Turns out they're all awake now. Morning.
Morning, man.
Morning. Morning.
Morning.
I've missed coffee, have I? Oops, get a video of the camel wing. There we go. There we go. Camel wing, everybody. So that's it now. No more camel riding. Oh, it does do your legs in after a while. It's constantly going up and down, but yeah. No more camel riding. It's been an adventure, honestly.